Hi guys, and welcome to Bubblegum Kids TV. So today, for all of you Minnie Mouse fans, we have a really cool toy. It is the Minnie Mouse Marvelous Microwave Set. And I can give you a close-up on that. It is so cute. It's got so many good treats that we can microwave. I see a bag of popcorn, some soup, some s'mores with Minnie Mouse marshmallows, and Minnie talks to you while you're cooking. And this microwave also has lights and sounds, and the plate in the middle spins. Here is the back of the box. So let's open up this microwave and start playing. So I opened up the box, and here is the Minnie's Marvelous Microwave. It is so adorable. It's got Minnie's signature bow there. It's got, I can show you the side, it's got a bunch of decorations with flowers and hearts. Here's the back, it's got some Mickey heads. Here's a close-up of the buttons that are on the machine. It is s'mores, hot pretzel, popcorn. What is that? It looks like some type of maybe, oh, waffles, so cute. Soup and bacon. I guess Minnie likes all of those treats. Here's a closer look. Also, at the bottom of the microwave, there is a purple Minnie Mouse button or Mickey Mouse ear button, and when you press it, it has lights and sounds inside.
The snacks are ready.
All the snacks are ready.
I sure am hungry. Cooking together is so much fun.
And the plate inside has lights and sounds.
Wonderful smell.
Let's check it out a little closer. You see the lights and the plate spins.
I do enjoy our treats.
Just like a real microwave. I can open the door and you can get a closer look at that spinning plate.
I love making healthy snacks. Isn't this fun?
There it is.
Yummy.
There's also numbers that appear on this microwave clock right here. I can show you. See? 20 seconds.
Time to eat.
Okay, so now it's time to take a look at all the cute foods and accessories that came with this microwave. First off, we have a Minnie Mouse bag of popcorn. So cute. It looks so yummy. You have Minnie's face right there, the popcorn. Next up, we have a hot pretzel. Yummy. I guess Minnie and Mickey love their hot pretzels. And they do sell them at Disney World, so they must like them. Next, we have a bowl or container of Minnie Mouse soup. It looks like it's some type of chicken or beef soup. Yummy. And next comes the dessert, and my favorite treat in this set. It is s'mores. Look at that. It's a Minnie Mouse graham cracker. It's got Minnie written on there. Then it comes with a piece of chocolate to make the s'more. It's got Minnie on there as well. You can put it like that. Then it comes with this adorable Mickey or Minnie Mouse ear marshmallow. And to finish up the s'more, we need another graham cracker to make a sandwich. There it is. Yummy. That is a perfect dessert. Okay, so what should we cook up first? I think I'm in the mood for some mini popcorn. So let's pop it in the microwave and cook it. Put it in just like that. Close the door. We can hit the popcorn button. And let's start cooking. I'll set the timer.
Come on, let's make a treat together.
Okay, Minnie.
I sure am hungry.
Here the popcorn is. It's spinning and cooking.
Oh, the snacks are ready.
Snacks are ready. Let's open up. Would you smell the butter? And our popcorn is complete. How about some melted s'more sandwiches? Let's pop this in the microwave. Close it up. Let's hit the s'more button right here.
What a wonderful smell.
Yummy! Look how fast that spins. You know what? It doesn't look quite done yet. Let's melt it a little more.
Cooking together is so much fun. I love making healthy snacks. Time to enjoy our treats.
Okay, Minnie, looks just about done. Would you smell that? And our yummy s'more is complete.
Yummy. Isn't this fun? Come on, let's make a treat together. Time to eat. Oh, the snacks are ready.
Okay, so I hope you enjoyed watching Minnie's Marvelous Microwave video. We're gonna have so many more Minnie Mouse toys to play with, so stay tuned. We're Bubblegum Kids TV. You can hit the red subscribe button right here where my finger is. Have a nice day. Bye!